What's going on, guys? My name is Tim Roswick, and today is something epic and awesome that I've been working on for so long, and I'm so excited to finally share it with you. This has been an epic year for me. We hit 10,000 subscribers. The GDU.io, the Game Dev Underground community, has grown massively. The Discord is off the chain right now. It's insane. Everything is growing, and we have built an amazing, awesome community of game developers, just like I always wanted to do. I started Game Dev Underground in 2013, and just in this last year has it really started to kind of grow and flourish. And I started it with the idea that games can change the world, and I think there should be more indie games out there on the planet. And I think the community has kind of fostered that. And a lot of you guys have asked, like, how can you support me? You've asked if I had a Patreon page, you've asked a lot of stuff like that, and I've always been hesitant to that. It took me forever to get donations up on the stream. I didn't want to do that stuff because I feel like sometimes money complicates things, to be honest, and I didn't really want to integrate that until I was sure that I was ready. And beyond that, I didn't want to integrate it in a way where it was just a bunch of people giving me money, basically, e-begging, if it were. But on my update video, a lot of you guys said I was just overthinking it and that I should get over my pride and ego and kind of look into it. So I looked into Patreon, and it's pretty cool. What a lot of people use Patreon for is to support the creators that they love. Basically, you pledge a monthly amount, and that person gives you additional benefits. The way that I wanted to use Patreon, though, was a little bit different. I decided to go with Patreon mainly because they have a whole membership program built right in. They have all the technology and everything that I would use to build a membership program right there. So there we go. I don't have to build a bunch of technology. I don't have to spend a bunch of money, waste a bunch of time to try and build this. But thinking about all this, what I came up with was Game Dev Underground Elite. And Game Dev Underground Elite is basically a monthly membership program where I help you with whatever you need help with. And basically the objective of it is to take it a step further. I want to give you more stuff than you get on the YouTube channel. I want to share more things with you. I want to let you into more of my brain so you can kind of see things. I want to do all kinds of stuff. And I kind of want to walk you guys through what it's like on the Patreon page and what you can do to kind of be a part of this. So let's jump into the screen and we'll kind of go through it. So you're looking at my screen right now, and as you can see, this is Game Dev Underground Elite. This is my attempt at a logo. It's just regular text, but we'll go with it. And I've got a little video here that will kind of walk you through some of the specifics and kind of the story behind it. But basically, it's broken down into 3 tiers. There's the bronze, the silver, and the gold. And I kind of want to go through all the different awards and stuff that you can get with Underground Elite, and we'll go through them one by one, starting with bronze. So in bronze, one of the things that I wanted to make sure this was for the person that wants an extension of value of what they're currently getting. So if you love the daily content, if you love the email list, if you love the Feedback Friday streams, this is going to give you basically more of that same type of stuff. The first one is like early access and discounts. Basically, I have a book coming up. I'm working on a series of courses. I'm working on a couple different things. If you like getting early access to some of that content and potentially discounts on some of the paid content, this is going to be awesome. I also have a reading list. So this is something I put together after a while. I read a ton. I'm always reading articles. I have all kinds of stuff from all over the web that I read every month. And I figured it'd be helpful to kind of put all that in one place every single month for you guys, sometimes weekly, depending on how much I'm reading. And you'll get access to that. This is stuff that I'm reading that I found helpful from all over the internet. Think of it as my curation of the game development internet for you. And then YouTube video requests. So I have a video request link in some of my videos, and I just get so much stuff there. I wanted to create something that was additional to that. So this is basically saying, if you have a video request and you are a bronze member, that video is going to get made if I'm capable of making it. It's basically like priority video requests, if you will. Because I get a lot of requests videos, and I do a lot of request videos, but there's just too many, and I can't get to them all, unfortunately. So this kind of gives you a little bit of priority access in video requests, and anything you want me to cover, I'll cover. Book summaries is something else that I'm really excited about. Book summaries, I read a ton of books as well as articles. So I figured I would summarize everything I learned in that book for you guys on video. And this is exclusive content that only Elite members get, at least for now. It may go public sometime in the future, but if it does, you guys have super early access to it. And that's pretty awesome because not only can you save money on books, but I can summarize it for you. I can give you my thoughts on popular books. Your name in credits is another one. So I'm going to start putting credits at the end of all of my live streams. And if you want 50 to 100 people on the stream to see your name or your game's name, that's a great way to do it. And these videos also go live on YouTube afterwards, and they get 500 to 1,000 views at this point in time. From that, they get views on Twitch from the recordings. They get syndicated in a bunch of different places. So you'll get a little bit of exposure. People will see your name, but mainly this is just me saying thank you for you helping me do what I'm doing. And last but not least, we've got a private Discord channel. So as I'm recording this, this is not yet launched, but here it is, Underground Elite. We've got a special channel just for Elite members. I'm going to go ahead and write an intro in there very shortly because we're getting ready to launch this, but it's going to be awesome. Basically, I want this to be Game Dev Underground, but closer and more personal. I want to really learn all your guys' names and really get to know you really well, and kind of we can help each other grow and make games and market games and just share our secrets with each other in a place where people are going to be serious about it, because if they're paying for it, they're going to be. It's not just going to be any random person that can join like in the Discord. Not to say Discord people are bad. I love all you people, but this is just an extra little thing that we can kind of communicate with. So that's bronze, and you can see all those things are listed right here. I put a little chart together for you guys so you can see. Let's move on to silver. So silver, the objective with silver was that I wanted to create something for people that wanted to learn. So this is kind of an extension value of what I'm currently doing. This is for people that want to learn even more. And the main thing in silver is the video course library. So I've been wanting to make video courses for a long time on a lot of different things. A lot of people have asked for that. A lot of people have requested, like even stuff on Construct 2 or Construct 3. They want me to make courses on how to use it. But I figured, what if we could create constant little 10-minute courses for anybody that wants to learn anything that I know how to teach, whether it's building a landing page or, I can actually walk you through how to actually do it, not just talk about what you should put on your landing page, but actually walk you through actually how to do it. Game design, making games with different pieces of software, whatever you want to know, this is what you get access to. And you can request a video at any time. And my idea with this is that I would build these courses around what you guys want to learn, give them to you because you're a subscriber, and then additionally sell them elsewhere for a different amount so that, I can help other people that don't necessarily want to join a monthly program. But it's my way to kind of stay accountable because I got to deliver to you guys and I get the shit done. But it's also will be high value to you because you get to actually have a say in what gets created. And then my marketing tools list. So as you know, I used to run a marketing company. I have so many tools, man. I have so many tools of cool stuff that I just have found in marketing. So many different, internet websites and just kind of spreadsheets and all kinds of stuff. You're going to get access to my entire tools list, all the tools that I use to effectively market my games and my stuff and just my products in general. In addition to that, promotion on Twitter. So as part of Underground Elite Silver, anything you tweet at Game Dev Underground is going to get retweeted automatically. Right now, I'm very selective with this because a lot of people tweet me a lot of stuff. Sometimes it's supposed to be like at Tim Ruswick instead. But anything you want promoted is going to get promoted automatically with this Twitter tag. Obviously, I don't want people to abuse this, so this may or may not stay for a while. I may have to put a limit on it, but as of now, there's no limit. So we've got thousands of followers on there, and you'll get retweeted every time you tweet at Game Dev Underground. Second, this is the one I'm really excited about. So as you know, we do Feedback Friday every week, 7 p.m. EST as of now, and I play viewers' games live. If you're part of the Discord, you get a day ahead of time to kind of fill in your game and get it played by me on stream and get some feedback. But this gives you priority. So you get this on Wednesday, not Thursday. You get ahead of even the Discord users to submit your game and all that. And in addition, if you join the stream and you want to submit your game, you can go ahead and do that in stream live and get priority for me to play your game every week. We do this every week as of now. It may go down to once a month at some time, but right now it's every week. So it's really good value right now. And last but not least on silver is the indie publisher database, man. This is my personal database of indie game publishers. So if you're looking to get published and you want a database of actual places to go, I have a list of indie publishers that you'll get access to. And that's already live on the, it's already down here. It's already posted somewhere. And so let's talk about gold. Gold is like the next level. Gold is really for people that want to grow. Gold is like the epic version of Game Dev Underground Elite. And the main thing in gold is our bi-weekly mastermind. And if you don't know what a mastermind is, basically I first heard of this term in Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich. But it's essentially where you sit down with a group of people that are doing the same thing that you're doing, and you guys all talk with each other and hold each other accountable. So my idea was all of us $59 gold members, all of the elite gold members are going to sit down on video chat, and we're going to talk to each other, and we're going to talk about each other's goals. We're going to one by one, we're going to go through each other's goals, what we're trying to accomplish for the next 2 weeks, what we want to get done, and so on and so forth. We're going to record all that. And then 2 weeks later, we're going to come back to all that, see what we did, what we didn't do. We could show it off to the group. We could talk about our goals for the next time, and so on and so forth. Basically, we're going to help each other learn. We're going to share the things that we learn. We're going to help each other, keep each other accountable. And, this is what I'm super excited about, because this is the kind of stuff that I love to do. We're going to be working directly together. We're going to be video chatting. We're going to be keeping each other accountable. And this is the shit that I wish I would have had, man. This is the shit that I wish existed, because it's so easy to just slip out and not get shit done and not do anything. And with this, we're going to hold you accountable. We're going to be like, hey, yo, last week you said you were going to do this. Did you do it? And you're going to show it to the group. Now, I know some people are going to be shy and they're going to be like, oh, I don't want to join that because, I'm shy. But yo, guys, I'm nice here. Guys, I'm nice. I'm not going to be mean. I'm an introvert too. We could both join. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Trust me. So if you're shy, don't worry about it. If you're new to game development, this can be like your crash course, man. You're working with a bunch of other developers and they're teaching you what they're learning, and I'm working with you directly, and you're going to learn a bunch of shit really quick. So if you're new, this is great. If you're experienced and you're already making games, you're going to get the accountability that you need. We're going to keep you on track. We're going to make sure that you get your goals done and that you work on your stuff every 2 weeks and, get shit done. So this is the main thing I'm super excited about. And obviously there's an archive of this. We're going to record all these and you'll get to watch them. If there's any cool stuff that we learn, or, we just want to hang out, or maybe you miss one for whatever reason, there'll be an archive. In addition, you'll get a gold level Discord. And because of the nature of the mastermind, because of it's going to be so hands-on and we're going to be working with each other's goals, I felt like this needed its own little channel. So you get a custom channel in Discord where we can specifically talk with the people that we're video chatting with and holding each other accountable. So I felt like this wasn't just one of those things that I wanted to add it in just to add in, but I legit felt like it was needed because of how we're going to run this mastermind and how we're going to work on it. So gold level Discord is only for gold level members, and I feel like it will be a little bit different, a little bit closer knit, a little bit more goals and accountability oriented. I have a huge database of indie game press websites. I have some emails, some don't have emails. I just have basically a huge database, and you get that with Elite Gold. You get my list, and every time I update it, you get an updated list. We'll keep this going. Right now, it is a collection of just stuff I found around the internet. So literally, it's nothing you couldn't do yourself if you spent hours, going through the entire internet looking for press databases and combining them all, and just, it's nothing you couldn't do yourself, but it is going to save you a ton of time, and it's going to be updated every month. Same thing with the streamer database. It's you could go and you could spend all this time and do all this stuff with people But you know, I'm just going to save you a bunch of time and put it all in one place. And every time I update it, you get the updated. And remember, this is full of gold members, so we're all going to be actively doing this stuff. And the people that are marketing their games are going to be using this database, and they're going to say, hey, I added this website, or I removed this website, or this email doesn't work, or whatever. So it's constantly going to be updating, and that's what I'm excited about. And then last but not least, in Elite Gold, you get on my inner circle email list. And this is one of those things too, like the Discord, because we're all going to be so close knit in this little elite group, in this mastermind group, I figured we needed an email list so I can kind of keep you up to date. Excuse me. We can go over whatever we need to go over. I can announce specific things. Like I'm going to be relying on you guys too for a lot of the stuff that I do. So like with my book, for example, you guys are going to get super early access to that. I'm going to get feedback on chapters and stuff like that. You're going to get inner workings of any kind of interviews or anything like that I do. And it's just going to be really exciting. So I got a lot of content here for all of this already. Whatever is not here, I promise you will be up within the next week or so. I'm working. This is a ton of content, obviously, that I'm trying to get up. And it's a ton of stuff, but it's all going to be up. This is Game Dev Underground Elite, and it's going to be awesome. I'm so excited. So I promise you, whatever's not up now will be up soon. So if you want to join Game Dev Underground Elite, if you want to make this happen, if you're serious about game development, if you legit want to make games, it doesn't matter if you've never made a game before, and it doesn't matter if you have 10 games under your belt. It doesn't matter if you work for an epic indie game studio. It doesn't matter if you legit heard about game development yesterday and Googled me and found me and joined my channel. All three of these tiers will be helpful to you. My favorite is gold, obviously, because like I feel like that's the thing that I wish I always had. I wish I had somebody to hold me accountable. I wish I had somebody, every 2 weeks to say, hey, how'd you do on your goals? Did you do it well? Did you not? I wish I had that, and I never did. So I wanted to provide it for you guys, but bronze is going to be $9 a month. Silver is going to be $29 a month, and gold is going to be $59 a month. And all of the stuff in there right now is subject to change. Like the mastermind, obviously, if too many people join, that's not going to work. So we're going to have to figure out how to do that. We may break it up into different groups. The video training, same thing. If I get too many people in there and I have to tweak that, we will. So not trying to say any kind of artificial scarcity marketing tactic bullshit on you. I'm just saying like this is going to evolve with the community. Like whatever you guys want, whatever you guys need, and based on the size requirements and all this stuff is going to change. So the mastermind is something that may go up in price though, legit, because it requires hands-on video chatting time. So I recommend you guys go to Elite. There's a link right now in the description. Anything that you contribute, if you join Elite, anything at all, I just want to say that I'm extremely appreciative. Like, I did not think I would be here. I did not think I would be the dude in front of the camera saying, hey, join my program. I wanted to start a business helping game developers because I'm so passionate about game developers. I've been wanting to do this since 2013, but I didn't expect like the last year to happen, man. It's been so insane. It's been so crazy seeing this community start to grow and thrive after working on it since 2013. And you know what? Even if you can't join Elite, I totally understand. I get it. And thank you for being a part of the group, man. Thank you for being part of Game Dev Underground. Thank you just so much. So if it sounds like something you want to join, the link is in the description. Hit that right now and join. You'll immediately be given access to all the stuff that's there. Anything that's not there will be added very shortly. Of course, I always want your input on it. Let me know what you guys think. If there are things that should be there that are not, let me know. If there are things that are there that you don't need, let me know. But thank you guys, man. This has been awesome. And if I'm able to do this full time and like make content for you guys and like legit promote indie games any way I can, oh my God, that would be epic. So thank you guys for making this happen. I can't say thank you enough. It's coming from a place of, deep down. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. And I'll see you inside Elite.